Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. In today's video we'll be doing the Vovome praise breakdown. Okay, I've done the part 1, the part 2. After watching this video, please kindly go and check them out. If you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link over here, click on the link, or you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Da, 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 da. Okay, so 1 1 6 1 2 1. Okay, da 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 that is from your da da 1 5 1 da da da. Okay, so I hope you got that. 5 5 5 2 5 1 da 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 da. So it is something like this. Okay, so from your 1 to 6, 1 3. It's like a walking bass line. 1 3 5 5 sharp, and your 6. Now to your 2. That is 3 6 6 2 6 5. Okay, so if you join all of them together, so now to your 4 2 5 2 5 4 sharp, and your 4 to your 3. So 4 5 6 2 3, and to your 6 again. Okay, so 6 7 3 6. Okay, okay, and back to your 2 2 3 6 2, and 5 6 5. I hope you got that. Okay, so da da da. Okay, and the second one goes like this. Okay, 1 3 4 4 sharp, 5 5 1. Slide to your 5, because from your 1 to your 6. So 1 7 6 5 sharp, or 6 flat, 6, and to your 2. Okay, now to your 5. The groove changed over here, so 5 1 2 2 2 5. Okay, okay, two 5 2 5 5 5. Okay, now to your 4 4 sharp, 4. Now to your 3 6 1 2 5 2 3. Okay, so you understand. So now to your 6. So you play 4 sharp, 5 5 sharp, and your 6, and to your 2 1 2 2 2 2 6 5. Dum, dum, dum. I hope you got that. Okay, so the third Vovome bass line goes like this. Da, da, da. You understand? Da, 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 da. So when you hear da, 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 so fa so so so, fa so so so, 4 5 5 5, 4 5 5 5. Okay. So your 3 and your 6, 2 3 3 7 3 6. Okay, so when you play your 6, we are still on the 6. Okay, so 3 3 7 3 6 3 1 3 7 3 6. Okay, then you play 3 2 6 5. Okay, so okay, then 2 5 2 5. So it goes like this. Okay, so 5 7 5, 4 sharp, your 6 sharp, 4. Okay, so 2 4 3. So I added this. Okay, so 2 4 3 5. So 1 6 5 3. Then you play your 4th string to give you your 6. Okay, so 1 6 5 3 6. Then you end the song. 2 6 5 1 1 1. Okay, so okay, so there are some bass line you can pick, especially with this. I came familiar with this bass line. Okay, you can use this maybe from your 5 to your 4. Okay, so I think this is the Vovome praise bass line I got for you. Okay, I'll be seeing you next week in this same channel. Bye for now.